Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you that how you can do some customization into your YouTube channel. If you have created a new YouTube channel and you're a beginner to YouTube, then this video is for you. So first of all, you need to go to the customization in your Creator Studio and you need to select a banner and a logo for your channel if you have created. You need to click on the change and select a logo and a banner from your computer. I'm not going to do this because I've done it already. After that, you need to write an attractive description for your channel, like what your channel is about, what kind of videos you're creating. And if you don't know how to write an attractive description for your channel, just go to the chat GPT. So in chat GPT, you need to write in some basic command and it will provide you a template like this. You just need to type in your channel name and category and it will provide you a description like this. You just need to type in your email right here after pasting this to the description. So it's done now. So as you can see, I have put in my Instagram and my other channel link right here. And after that, you need to put in your contact email and you need to add a watermark for your channel. So I'm going to select my channel's logo right here. So it's all done. Now you need to click on publish to save the settings. So now, as you can see, the settings are updated and the channel is looking more attractive with these settings. And let me show you something more in customization. You need to navigate to the home tab and you can do further customization onto your channel. So in the home tab, you can add a section onto your channel. Like the sections are already added right here, like for you, videos, short videos, and all the stuff like this. You can also add feature channels right here. So thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.